Welcome back to the Mountain Shadows Arts and Craft video. Today we're going to be making a 3D sailboat. It's going to look something like this. So let's see, in your packet you've got a popsicle stick or a craft stick. You got blue streamer. This is going to become your waves. You have brown construction paper for your boat. You also received white paper so you can make your sail for your sailboat. You received a template so that you can go ahead and cut it and trace it onto the brown construction paper for the boat and the white construction paper for the sailboat. And then of course you received the light blue paper, because this is where we're going to be putting everything once we have everything cut up. Okay, you're going to need a pencil because you need to trace. You're going to need either liquid glue, whatever you are comfortable with, or a glue stick, and also a pair of scissors so we can do our cuts. So let's go ahead and start cutting our template so that way we can go ahead and trace. I've already cut mine, so I'll put that off to the side. And here they are. So it's going to look like this. See that? So we're going to start tracing. I'm going to put this off to the side because I don't need that right now. And this to the side. And let's go ahead and trace on your brown construction paper. Let's see, I'm going to do it this way because it's longer. And you have enough where you can make two if you want, but we're going to just go ahead and do one. So you take your pencil and you're just going to trace. Trace your boat. Make sure you hold your template in place. And once you've done that, then you can go ahead and cut. So I don't know if you can see that. There we go. So I'm going to go ahead and cut that. I'm going to go ahead and cut the part I didn't trace on and set that off to the side and begin cutting. If you don't have a pencil, you can use a crayon or a colored pencil. Okay, so there's my boat. Now we're going to go ahead and trace the sail. So let's go ahead and do that. Put this off to the side and go ahead, and if you're going to make more than one, then just try to get it, put it towards the corner so that way you can go ahead and use the rest of it if you're going to make others. So let's go ahead and trace. Hold on, let me hold it correctly so that it comes out. There we go. And you keep tracing. Okay, so here's my sail. We did in the bottom, and we're going to go ahead and cut that out. And we'll start working on our sailboat. And cut the excess off, put that off to the side. And there we are. So there you are. There's your sailboat. Okay. Bless you, whoever did that. So we're going to go ahead and put glue our brown boat. You don't want to go too high up on your blue paper, so we're going to go ahead and kind of put it towards the center. Let's put enough glue. Okay, and we're just going to put them on there, just like that. You see that? And then we're going to go ahead and glue the popsicle stick. And you can do it in the center if you want, or you can put it off to the side. But let's go ahead and do that. All right, there's our popsicle stick. I'm going to insert them a little bit. Nice, very nice. Oop. Okay. So see? Now we're going to put our sailboat. So you want to make sure your sailboat covers the popsicle stick. Just like that. And I'll show you once I'm done. So I'm going to put glue on top of my popsicle stick or craft stick. Just like this. I'm going to put enough so I know that it's going to stay on there. And just go ahead and there. There you are. Now we're going to work on the waves. So you're going to take your streamer and you're going to start. You want it to be a little bit on top of the boat because it's supposed to be on the water. Okay, so let's start by doing that. I'm going to put some glue up here in the corner like this so we can stick the streamer on there. And then you're going to start creating some waves just like that. So you're going to put some more glue on the streamer like this. There we go. Just want to show you. So you see, you want to stick it over here on the edge. Then you want to start creating your wave just by making layers. And then you're going to make sure it goes a little bit below the boat. I'm going to use glue because my glue stick is not working the way I want it. So I think I will enjoy better using my glue, just like that. So we're going to put this on there, just like this. It does get messy. It's okay. Put a little bit on your blue paper, blue streamer, just like that. And you just continue doing that. And how wide you want your waves to be, that's up to you. And then you just continue doing that. And there you are. You start getting a nice wave. Okay, now once you have some of it already folded, let me see if it'll stay. Some of it folded, then you just want to lift the end here because you have to also make sure it sticks onto your construction paper. Excuse me. And we're just going to go ahead and put some on there. So that it sticks. You can make any adjustment you need to do. And then you just keep doing. Keep going. I'm just going to put some right here like this. And just go ahead and fold. And fold. And continue folding. And fold some more. My waves are a little choppy. And then if you need some more, you can cut from here and you can glue it on there. And just make it so that it looks like it's coming out. And fold it like that. And there you are. So you kind of get that 3D effect because the wave, see how that's turning out? And then your edges, you can just cut it off, whatever's on the ends here, or fold it in. And then you want to do it again here at the bottom. So let's do that. I'm going to see if I have, I don't. Okay. So let's go ahead and fold another one. And that'll be it. I'm going to make sure this end looks good. And start cutting. And I'm just going to go ahead and put glue all over my paper here. And begin. And then you just keep going like this. Put some more. Voila. And you just keep going. And before you know it, your waves are all in place there. It looks really good. I'm just going to go ahead and add a little bit more of my construction paper, of my streamer over here, and voila, and there you go. Very 3D. And I'm going to go ahead and cut the extra off. And there you have it, a 3D sailboat. And if you have extra construction paper at home, you can create a sun. You can make people, and then you can make little fishes coming out of the water. So here you are, your 3D sailboat. Have fun with it. I hope you enjoy making this, and we'll see you with our next video soon. Thank you for joining Mountain Shadows Arts and Crafts.